Hello everyone, welcome Lead at Home. We have started Unit 3 of Politics. In that, we have started third chapter, that is Democracy and Diversity. In that, we have seen at first overview of the chapter. Then we have seen about the story from Mexico Olympics. Then we have seen differences, similarities, and divisions in the society. Then after that, we have seen about origins of social differences. Then we have seen about overlapping and cross-cutting differences. Then we have seen about the story of Imrana. Then after that, we have seen about political of social divisions. In that, we have seen about a range of outcomes. Now, today, we will see the next part of that topic. Please, student, be ready with your textbook. Means put your textbook in front of you while watching this video, and be ready with your pen, pencil, and notebook. Now, let's begin. Bulgaria, Romania, or India? Ganesh went on to talk about Modrozhny, a Romani who lives in Romania. Then Ganesh talked about Modrozhny, who is from Romani and lives in Romania. When she was 18 years old, she went to the hospital to give birth to her first child. Means at the age of 18 years, that Modruzeni went to the hospital to give birth to her first child. She had no money to pay to the doctors or nurse, and she had no money to pay doctor's fees or nurse fees. Though she was in the hospital, nobody bothered to come and take care of her. Means when she was that Modruzani admitted in the hospital, that time nobody come to take care of her. Finally, the sweeper, who was also a Romani, helped her give birth to a boy. Then finally, the sweeper, who was also Romani, helped to that Modruzani to give birth to a boy. And then the nurse appeared on the scene and said, then the nurse appeared on the scene and said that here we have another criminal. And she told that here we have another criminal. Taking about how the Roma people are treated in public hospital, means talking about Roma people are treated in public hospital. She says these doctors keep us waiting outside their cabins. Means doctors from Bulgaria treated to Roma people by waiting outside their cabins to the Roma's people. On one occasion, one doctor asked me to take a bath if I needed to be examined. And one of the doctor from Bulgaria asked to that Modruzani if she has to be checked, that time she has to be take bath. Of course, I smiled. Means that times she smiled on doctor's reply. During the pregnancy, I ate from the garbage containers because I was so hungry all the time. Means during the pregnancy of Modruzani, she ate from the garbage container because she was very hungry on that time. My husband had left me, means that Modrozani's husband had left her. I had two children and I was pregnant with the third. And she has two children and she was pregnant now to give the birth to the third child. The social worker refused my request for food assist, and social worker refused his request for food assist. My neighbors helped me to deliver the baby, means her neighbors help her to deliver the baby. I often feel it is better not to visit these hospitals, and she often feels that it is better not to visit these hospitals. Mashweta heard him out and said, Ganesh, why do you have to travel halfway across the world to find this out? And after hearing all this, Mahashweta said to the Ganesh, why do you have to travel halfway across the world to find out this? This is not a story about Romani and Bulgaria or about the Roma people. This is as much a story about our own country, means about India. This story is not from Romani, Bulgaria or about Roma's people. These incidents happening in India also, and about our people who are branded as criminals by our system and our country, and about our people who are branded as criminals by our system on their behavior. Now 2 points are there, means 2 questions are there. These questions are in this way. Do you think Mahashweta is right? Means whatever Mahashweta said at the end, is she right? Do you know of some community in your area that is treated like the Romas? Means do you know that some community in your area treated is like as Romas? Please student, give your answers about these questions. Next, have you heard people say things similar to what Yodanka or Modrozani say here? Means have you heard people say things similar what told about Yordanka or Modrozani say here? If yes, try to think of what the story would sound like if you heard it from the other side. Please give your opinions on this question also. Then next question is there. Do you think the Bulgarian government should try to ensure that the Roma people dress and behave like other people from Bulgaria? Means do you think that Bulgarian government should try to ensure that the Roma people dress and behave like other people from Bulgaria? If it is yes, you give the answer. If it is no, then you have to be answered. Now we will move towards the next page. Yesterday we have seen about the political of social divisions in that range of outcomes. Whatever we have seen in a range of outcomes, that all this picture describe. Let's see what it describes. So it happens all over the world, even in Europe. I thought it was only in countries like India that we have social divisions. Means whatever things will happen in India, that all things will happen in even Europe also. Now we will move towards the second point of this political of social divisions, that is three determinants. Three factors are crucial in deciding the outcome of politics of social divisions. Means three factors are important in deciding the outcome of politics of social divisions. First of all, the outcome depends on how people perceive their identities. And first outcome is that the outcome depends on how people perceive their identities. If people see their identities in singular and exclusive terms, it becomes very difficult to accommodate. Means if people see their identities in singular and exclusive term, it become very hard to them to accommodate. As long as people in Northern Ireland saw themselves as only Catholic or Protestant, their differences were difficult to reconcile. Now, meaning of reconcile. Reconcile means to make friendly again. Now, here one example has given about peoples in Northern Ireland saw themselves as only Catholic or Protestant, then it become very difficult to reconcile to them. It is much easier if the people see that their identities are multiple and are complementary with the national identity. Means it is very easier if the people see that their identities in multiple and are complementary with the national identity. A majority of Belgians now feels that they are as much Belgian as they are Dutch or German speaking. Means example has given majority of Belgian peoples now feels that they are as much Belgian as they are Dutch as well as German speaking. They helps them to stay together, and that helps them to stay together also. This is how most people in our country see their identities. Now this is how much people in our country see their identities. They think of themselves as Indian as well as belonging to a state or a language group or a social or a religious community. Means people think themselves first Indian, then second they belongs to state or a language group or a social or a religious community. Means community become at last. Now we will move towards the second paragraph. Second, it depends on how political leaders raise the demand of any community. Means second factor means outcome is that it depends on how political leaders raise the demands of any community. It is easier to accommodate demands that are within the constitutional framework and are not at the cost of another community, and it is very easier to accommodate demands of political leaders that are within the constitutional framework and are not at the cost of another community. Now we will move towards on next page. Before moving to the next page, here two images has given. On first image has written no black, no dogs, no Irish. London, 1966, I think that. Now on second image, no racism, no prejudice, no bigotry. Belfast, 2009, I think so. Now here the description has given, just we will now read the description. In some societies of Northern Ireland, the colonies of Protestant and Catholic communities are divided by walls. Means in some sort of societies of Northern Ireland, the colonies of Protestant and Catholic communities are divided by walls. These walls are sometimes filled with graffiti, as you can see here. Means divisions are there, in between walls is there. The Irish Republican Army and British government signed an agreement in 2005. What does the graffiti here tell about the conflict in society? Means as per your opinion, you have to give the answer. Now we will move towards on next page. Demand for only Sinhala was at the cost of the interest and identity of the Tamil community in Sri Lanka. Means in Sri Lanka, the Tamil community demands for only Sinhala was at the cost of the interest and identity. Second example, in Yugoslavia, the leaders of different ethnic communities presented their demands in such a way that these could not be accommodated within a single country. Means in Yugoslavia, the leaders of a different ethnic communities, now meaning of ethnic means of a race or races of mankind, presented their demands in a such a way that these could not be accommodated within a single country. Now we will move towards what the image has given. In this first image, passion has given, and in the second, racism has given. Now here question is there, draw or collect some images of social divisions in different aspect of life. Can you think of some example of social divisions or discrimination in the field of sports? Now you have to write your opinion and write the answer. Now we will move on to the next paragraph, but here one again image has given and question is there. So you are saying that too many small divisions are better than a single big division? Are you also saying that politics is a force of unity? Now this answer you have to be write in your notebook. Now we will move the third outcome, that is it depends on how the government reacts to demands of different groups. Now the third is it depends on how the government react to demands of different groups. As we saw in the example of Belgium and Sri Lanka, if the rulers are willing to share power and accommodate the reasonable demands of a majority community, social divisions become less threatening for the country. Means already we have saw that example of Belgium and Sri Lanka. If the rulers are willing to share power and accommodate the reasonable demands of a minority community, social divisions become less threatening for the country. But If they try to suppress such a demand in the name of national unity, the end result is often quite to opposite. Means, but if they try to suppress, now meaning of suppress, to subdue or to crush such a demand in the name of national unity, the end result is often quite to opposite. Such attempts at forced integration often saw the seeds of disintegration. Now we will move towards the next paragraph. Thus, the assertion of social diversities in a country need not be seen as a source of danger. Means the assertion is that of social diversities in a country need not to seen a source of danger. In a democracy, political expression of social divisions is very normal and can be healthy. But in democracy, political expression of social divisions is very normal and can be healthy for government also and for people also. This allows various disadvantage and marginal social groups to express their grievances and get the government to attend to these, and this allow various disadvantage and marginal social groups to express their grievances and get the government to attend to these. Expression of various kind of social divisions in politics often result in their cancelling one another out and thus reducing their. Now, expression of various kind of social divisions in politics often results in their cancelling one another out and thus reducing their intensity and reduce their intensity. This leads to strengthening of democracy, and this result leads to strengthening of democracy. Now we will move the last paragraph. But a positive attitude towards diversity and willingness to accommodate it do not come about easily. But a positive attitude towards diversity and willingness to accommodate it to not come about easily. People who feel marginalized, deprived, and discriminated have to fight against the injustice. Means if people feels they are marginalized or deprived and discriminated. Now meaning of deprived means to disposes, and discriminated have to fight against the injustice. Such a fight often takes the democratic path, voicing their demands in a peaceful and constitutional manner and seeking a fair position through elections, and this create their demand in peaceful and constitutional manner and seeking a fair position through election. Sometimes social differences can take the form of unacceptable level of social inequalities and injustice. But in sometimes social differences can take form of unacceptable level of social inequality and injustice. The struggle against such inequalities sometimes takes the path of violence and defiance of state power. Now, meaning of defiance means open disobedience or resistance. However, history shows that democracy is the best way to fight for recognition and also to accommodate diversity, and that's why history shows us to that democracy is the best way to fight for recognition and also to accommodate diversity. Now student, after that exercise is there. Now this is a homework for you. Please complete that exercise and take photos of your assignment and please send it on to the WhatsApp group. If any query, if any question is there, please student ask your questions and queries. I definitely solve that query. Now, thank you.